Hello everyone, welcome to Canvas Echo. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful guava fruit with leaves using color pencils. I start by lightly sketching the basic shapes of the guava and the branch. This helps to keep the drawing balanced and clean. Now I begin adding the green base color to the fruits. I use light strokes so the color looks soft and natural. Next, I add darker green and yellow shades to create shadows and highlights. This makes the guava look round and realistic. I color the leaves using different shades of green and draw the veins to give them a fresh look. Finally, I add details to the stems and smooth out the shading for a finished look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Canvas Echo for more art videos.